Go home happy with the 2021 Dodge Charger. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Charger delivers all the power and excitement you want in a muscle car and the safety features and convenience you need for the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC. Why miss out on performance just because you need 4 doors? Get into the Charger and drive.